In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save the chat and captions transcript in Google Meet. We've all been in those meetings where so much crucial information is shared, but by the time it ends, it's almost impossible to remember every detail. Whether you're trying to keep track of important points or just want an easy way to review what was said, having a transcript can be a game changer. So, let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to navigate to Google Meet. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Google Meet, which is meet.google.com. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to do so with your Google account credentials. Once you're on the homepage, you're ready for the next step. Next, you'll want to start an instant meeting. On the homepage of Google Meet, you'll see several options like joining an existing meeting or starting your own. Click on Start an Instant Meeting. This will immediately begin a new meeting session and you'll be placed into the virtual meeting room. Once your meeting has started, it's time to explore more options. Look towards the bottom right corner of the screen and you'll find the More Options button. It typically looks like 3 vertical dots. Clicking on this button will open up a menu with additional settings and controls for your meeting. From this menu, you need to select Manage Recording. Selecting this option will allow you to control how Google Meet handles recordings, a necessary step for saving the chat and captions transcript. Now let's start the recording. At the top of the Manage Recording panel, you'll see an option labelled Start Recording. Click on this to begin recording your meeting. A prompt will appear to confirm that all participants are aware that the meeting is being recorded. Once everyone has acknowledged this, the recording will begin. Keep in mind that recording meetings with participants' knowledge is crucial for privacy and ethical standards. While the meeting records, make sure to utilize the chat feature and enable captions if they aren't already. Google Meet automatically includes these as part of the recording, allowing you to have a detailed transcript after the meeting ends. The captions feature is especially useful for capturing spoken content accurately, regardless of audio quality diversions during the call. When your meeting is over and you've concluded recording, you'll want to stop the recording using the same Manage Recording panel. The recording and its accompanying transcript of chat and captions will be automatically saved in the organizer's Google Drive within a special folder for Google Meet recordings. And there you have it, a simple yet efficient way to save everything that happens in your Google Meet sessions. This will serve as a comprehensive resource for revisiting crucial discussions and ensuring no detail goes unnoticed. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this tip valuable in your future Google Meet endeavors.